let's get started. For this video, you'll need VMware Player, Windows 8 ISO, and it will take about an hour. So to start, I will launch VM Player, drag it in here so you can see it better. And what I will do is create a new virtual machine, and I will use this 8.1 ISO that's on my desktop. So next. You can enter this stuff in if you want to, but you don't have to. You can do it later. It's part of your DreamSpark account. But you do want to make sure you select Windows 8.1 Pro. You can also do make the account stuff too here, but you can also do that in Windows later, so you don't have to. So I'll click Next. It'll say that. You say yes, I want to continue. We'll call this for NOS 130. And next. Accept all the defaults and next. Accept all these defaults. You want it to start up after you begin. So finish, and then it will start. So first thing it will do is create the disk, and I will edit this out so you don't have to sit through all of Okay, so it's almost done. And so what's going to happen now is this virtual machine is going to restart itself and start loading from the ISO. So at this point it is reading that ISO, unpacking it, and starting the installation process. So we'll give this a couple minutes, and I will make you not watch all this as well. So now we're to the part where it is copying the install files from Windows. This is exactly how it would look if you were installing this on a bare metal machine, but it's doing it in the virtual machine. And it actually probably works a little bit faster because of the fast hard drives in the computer I'm using right now. So it's done copying the files. It's going to extract them for installation. This will take a couple minutes, so I'll pause again. Okay, so it finished this part of the setup. It's copied everything over and installed, and it's going to do a restart now. I believe there's probably 2 more restarts before this is finished, but we haven't typed keystrokes, so that's pretty great. So we'll let this restart, and we'll see where we are in a couple minutes. Alright, so it's getting near the final part. It's going to do this part of the setup, and then probably it will be another restart, and then we will boot into the actual desktop. Almost there. Alright, we are in the last restart, and we should be getting a desktop here pretty soon. Okay, we're almost there. We're getting to the final part of the installation, and we are going to get a desktop pretty soon. Okay, it looks like we're almost there. Alright, so now we've got our desktop loading up, and VMware will install some drivers in the background too. These drivers are definitely worth getting. They help bridge the gap between the host machine and the virtual machine, meaning you can drag files back and forth from the host to the virtual machine, or it syncs the clipboard, which is really handy when you're doing things. So we're almost there, and it's going to restart one more time. I guess I lied about that. Alright, let's let this restart one more time, and we're almost there. So the best thing about having a virtual machine like this is once this is set up, you can copy it, and then you don't have to do this install again. And if you ruin it, or it gets a virus, or if you're just playing with it and you just mess it up beyond doubt, you can just dump it and turn on the new one, the copy, so you're ready to go. So we're almost there. Let's see. Okay, so it's coming back up. This should be the one. And I thought it would load a little bit faster, but it is going a little slower than I thought it would. Okay, it's welcoming me with that account that we created when we set up the machine. We didn't put a password in, so it should go right into the desktop eventually. Okay, so we've booted into the desktop. You can see down here that it's a Windows 8 Pro build. And this is a fully functioning Windows 8 box. If you go here, you can click and see the crazy start menu that nobody likes. And from this point, it is definitely recommended to do Windows updates, but that will be in another video. So thank you for watching. This video covered setting up a virtual machine with VMware, installing a Windows 8 ISO, and following the on-screen instructions, which were basically nothing. We pretty much clicked and watched everything. Alright, well thank you for watching.